Hi children, this is our science class. I hope you are all fine. So, stay home, stay safe. Good morning children. Welcome you all. Today I am going to teach Unit 1 My Body Evaluation. Page number 93. Roman letter 1. Pick out the odd one. First one. Roman letter 1. Pick out the odd one. First one. Heart, legs, brain, kidney. Heart, legs, brain, kidney. Heart, brain, kidney. These three are internal organs. Heart, brain, kidney. These three are internal organs. Legs, external organ. So, circle the word legs. Circle the word legs. Second one. Eyes, ears, fingers, lungs. Eyes, ears, fingers, lungs. Eyes, ears, fingers. These three are external organs. Eyes, ears, fingers. These three are external organs. Lungs only internal organ. Lungs only internal organ. So circle the word lungs. Circle the word lungs. Third one. Forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain, nerves. Forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain, nerves. Forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. These three are three types of main parts of human brain. So, circle the word nerves. Circle the word nerves. Roman letter 2. Complete the figure with words given in the bracket. In the bracket, given some words. Kissing on the mouth, grandparents' love, hitting the buttocks, pat of dad on head, parents' hug and kisses, showing awkward pictures. Kissing on the mouth, grandparents' love, hitting the buttocks, pat of dad, parents' hug and kisses, showing awkward pictures. We should separate which is related to good touch activities, which is related to bad touch activities. Good touch, grandparents' love, pat of dad on head, parents' hug and kisses. grandparents' love, pat of dad on head, parents' hug and kisses. Bad touch activities, kissing on the mouth, hitting the buttocks, showing awkward pictures. I repeat, kissing on the mouth, hitting the buttocks, showing awkward pictures. Roman letter 3. Find the answers from the following clues and circle the words. First one is done for you. First one only done for you. An internal organ, that is heart. Already it has circle. Second one, organ that helps us to breathe. Which organ helps us to breathe? Lungs. Circle the word lungs. Third one, an organ removing waste from our body. Which organ removes waste from our body? Kidney. Circle the word kidney. Circle the word kidney. Fourth one, unfair and unhealthy touch. Unfair and unhealthy touch, that is bad touch. Circle the word bad touch. Circle the word bad touch. Every day we should drink more dash water. Every day we should drink more dash water. Circle the word water. Circle the word water. I repeat, an internal organ, heart, organ that helps us to breathe, lungs, an organ removing waste from our body, kidney, unfair and unhealthy touch, bad touch. Every day we should drink more water. Circle the word water. Next, say true or false. First one, head, hand and legs are internal organs. Head, hand and legs are internal organs. Answer is false. Answer false. Head, hand and legs are external organs. So, this is false. Second one, heart is made up of muscles. Heart is made up of muscles. True. Heart is made up of muscles. True. Third one, muscles are the soft parts that cover our bones. Muscles are the soft parts that cover our bones. True. Muscles are the soft parts that cover our bones. Answer, true. Fourth one, brush your teeth once a day. Brush your teeth once a day. That is false. We should brush our teeth twice a day. Fifth one, father patting you on your head is a good touch. Father patting you on your head is a good touch. True. Father patting you on your head is a good touch. True. I repeat, say true or false. Head, hand and legs are internal organs. Answer false. Heart is made up of muscles. Answer true. Muscles are the soft parts that cover our bones. Answer true. Brush your teeth once a day. Answer false. Father patting you on your head is a good touch. True. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. First one. Dash is the commanding center of our body. Dash is the commanding center of our body. Choices: heart, lungs, kidney, brain. Answer is brain. Brain is the commanding center of our body. Second one. Food is converted to energy in the dash. Food is converted into energy in the dash. Choice: neck, heart, stomach, nose. Answer is stomach. Food is converted to energy in the stomach. Third one. Every day we should brush our teeth dash times. Every day we should brush our teeth dash times. Choice: 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 2. Every day we should brush our teeth 2 times. Good touch is a fair and a dash touch. Good touch is a fair and dash touch. Unhealthy, bad, unsafe, healthy. Answer is healthy. Good touch is a fair and healthy touch. Fifth one. Drink a lot of dash every day. Drink a lot of dash every day. Choices: oil, water, packed juice, salt water. Answer is water. Drink a lot of water every day. Okay, children. Today we have seen pick out the odd one, complete the figure with the words given in the bracket, find the answers from the following clues and circle the words, say true or false and choose the correct answer. This one, read and write one time. Thank you, children. We will meet in the next class.